Welcome to Belly Breath, to this transformative meditation experience. In our fast-paced lives, finding moments of peace can be a challenge. Today, let's embark on a journey to discover a profound sense of calm, exploring the energy within us that often gets overshadowed by daily stress. As we journey together, let's cultivate a deeper connection with tranquility using vivid imagery and gentle guidance. Start by finding a position that feels comfortable for your body right now. Allow yourself to settle into this position. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine yourself sinking into a soft, inviting cloud. This cloud supports you fully, cradling you in its fluffy embrace. Let go of any tension, as if the cloud is gently lifting away the weight of your worries. Visualize a serene forest. Picture yourself walking along a tranquil path surrounded by towering trees. With each step you take, imagine the softness of the earth beneath your feet, absorbing any stress or tightness from your body. Feel the cool, refreshing breeze on your skin, carrying away any remaining tension. Now, bring your awareness to your forehead. Imagine a warm, golden light melting away any tightness. This light spreads across your forehead, easing every muscle. Allow this light to move to the top of your head and down the back of your neck, releasing any residual tension. Let this golden light flow gently through your shoulders, arms, and hands. Feel the light's warmth dissolving any tightness, leaving behind a sensation of ease and comfort. Let this light continue down your torso. Relaxing your chest and upper back. Allow your abdomen to feel soft and relaxed, as if you are floating effortlessly on a calm sea. Bring this light down through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, and feet. Let every part of your body become heavy and relaxed, as if you are sinking into a soft, sandy beach. Feel the warmth and heaviness spreading through your entire being. As you continue to relax, scan your body from head to toe, acknowledging any areas still holding tension. Gently encourage these areas to relax further, allowing your body to become a vessel of peace and serenity. Celebrate the relaxation you feel now. Appreciate the comfort and ease washing over you. Observe these sensations without judgment. In this state of relaxation, affirm the following truths within yourself. I embrace the calm that surrounds me. I cherish the serenity that flows through me. I honor the tranquility that is my natural state. Feel these affirmations resonate within you, reinforcing the deep sense of peace and well-being. Your body knows a profound truth. It is natural and right to be calm and relaxed. As you remain in this peaceful state, acknowledge how your body reflects this truth. You are light, you are free, and it is natural for you to be immersed in calmness. Embrace this truth fully, knowing that it is a part of your being. This is your time to awaken to this knowledge and grow beyond any limitations you might have felt before. Allow yourself to evolve into a more serene and balanced version of yourself. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, carrying with you the tranquility and clarity you've discovered. If you found this meditation helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Belly Breath for more calming experiences. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for joining this meditation. Stay centered and balanced, and remember, tranquility is always within your reach.